Dear traders, this is Albert with Trading Diary, and I would like to present the fifth video for January, the fifth week of January 2025. And it's been a roller coaster. Yes, the market has been rallying a bit, and then on Friday, massive selling. And I think I will on Monday, so today I will get out of all my positions, I guess, and wait until the market gets better. There is a couple of nice setups. So I got in a couple of breakouts, but then they all turned around and they were selling off for the rest of the day. And even today, a lot of them are gapping down. So I think the market has to pull back a bit and needs to get better. And I think that the nice gap ups will remain, relative strength will show itself, and then I can get in new positions. So let's talk about the S&P. So as you can see here, we had DeepSeek, which was announced, and we saw a massive gap down. So I lost a lot of money with this announcement. A lot of my positions gapped down. I lost about $2,000 on TLN, which I can go over later. So, but then the market gapped down, then it rallied, and on Friday, massive rally down, so massive sell-off here on this day. I got in a couple of really nice setups, but they all failed. So, sitting at about minus 4,000 at the moment, and here I was green. What a pity. And then it all turned around. No, sorry. Here I was green. Here I was green. And then it all turned around. And now I'm deeply red again. So anyway, it's not about the numbers. It's about the process. So let's work on the process. So let's look at TLN here. So I got in here. Really nice setup. I thought cup and handle. Nice cup and handle. Holding up. Really nice strength here, going up 200%, and got in here, had really nice push here. I was nicely up about about $1,000 with $50 of risk. And then here DeepSeek was announced, and massive gap down, massive sell-off. I got out as the market opened with a bit of slippage, and then, well, it's a simulator, so, and now the market's been pushing again. So I think the strength, let's see if the strength remains, and let's see once the market is more stable how this will react. I think there's going to be another breakout, this push. So I think there is interest in this stock. So let's see what it does in a couple of days or weeks. So anyways, massive. So I lost the $1,000 I was up, and I lost about $1,000 here, 1,200 I guess. So massively red on this, and with all the other positions, I was massively red. Then it was down about $2,500. So let's look at HOOD. It's one of my older positions, and I got in on the 15th of January here, and it's been moving up nicely so far. I was up about $500. I'm at the moment up $200. So let's see where it goes. It never closed like really nicely below the 9 EMA. This is why I didn't get out. So let's ride with it and let's see where it goes. So XPEF2 is one of the, I got in the same day as Hood, HOOD. So it's been moving up nicely, although it's a bit choppy. So in future, I will not touch these very choppy stocks anymore. So let's see. I was nicely up on this one, but now I'm down. I think I was about up 3 times my risk here on this day, but let's see where it goes. So let's have a look on RKLB here. It had this consolidation, and now it's riding the 9 EMA. Sideways consolidation. I got in a couple of days, so as it looked strong here and here, but the volume's not keeping up. So this is a thing that I can work on. As long as volume's not above 1, relative volume's not above 1, I won't touch it. So this is the thing that I learned from this RKLB. So I lost a couple of dollars on this one, but I also learned a couple of things on it. Yeah, then Oklo, I got in here. So this was here on the breakout, got in here, got stopped out. Then I got in here again. But I think I just should have let it go. You know, it's not even a setup here, or not one of the ones I was trading. But I was in here on this day, really nicely up, and then deep view here. No, sorry. So I was in on this day here for the breakout, was really nicely up, and then DeepSeek, boom, and everything crashed. I stopped out for loss. Now I'm in again, but it's not even a setup. It's not one of my setups, so I should not have touched it, in fact. So HSAI, which is a really nice setup in my opinion here. So VCP pattern here. Then we had a breakout here on a slightly higher volume, but now the pullback. I'm still green on this one, so let's see what it does today. I think not even 1 time relative volume, so but I guess pretty happy that I could get in. So let's see what it does here now. Let's see what it does from there. So KC, I got in here as I saw a push on KC here. So here on this day, so we had this pullback, then we had this gap up, then we had this really strong day and the sell-off, and then it opened here, and I saw that it pushed really hard on the open, and I thought like, okay, let's get in. I already saw a couple of times that sometimes stocks are retesting the lows here before they are going. And so I thought, okay, let's give it a try. So I got in, and I'm really nicely up on this one. So really happy about this trade. We can see here, which is kind of now forming cup of handle kind of formation here. It was the day I got in. I already considered it as kind of a cup and handle. So really happy about this. And it was also a breakout on the weekly. So which is, for me, was confirmation. So daily aligned with the weekly, I think this should be a nice trade. And I'm up $360, which is about 7 times my risk. So OPFI, also really nice setup. So it's in a stage 2 uptrend. It has been pulling back here, touching the 9 EMA, then gap up, and I got in here for the 15-minute break, opening range break. And I'm slightly red on this one. So let's see what it does. Perhaps it needs some more consolidation so that the weekly can rest a bit. So let's see what it does. I step out for a loss. That's all right. So VRNA, I also got in on Thursday. So I had like really nice breakout day here. But as you can see, like it really strong open here. Then it pushed through. I got in here on this pullback. And then it was followed up by a really low volume day and small price move. So let's see what it does today. Let's see. Should be all right. So as you can see, it's been a roller coaster. I'm again red, which is a bit annoying. But as I said, it's about the process and not the dollars. So let's keep working on it. Let's keep grinding away. And I also so I studied a bit more. I read about Mark Minervini and possibilities to recognize future big movers before they are actually moving. I still have got to work more on this one, but it's one of the themes of last week. So I will keep working on this one. And what I also did, like after DeepSeek, I was really sad. And I did a lot of FOMO trades. So I thought, revenge trading. I thought, okay, I lost a bunch of money on this. Then I got into everything that was moving, even though it was not even my setup. And I was not even focusing on day trading. I was like really wanting to swing trade. And I lost about $1,000 only by getting in, getting out, getting stopped out and stuff like this. So now I really focus down only my setups like VCP or the power play and earnings. So let's stay focused. All the others I'm not even considering anymore. So that's the task of this week. So let's see how it goes. So this is Albert with Trading Diary. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. I wish you a very successful week and I hope to see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.